Hello everyone, hope all are you doing well. I'm Chinmoy Chakraborty, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, Bankura. Today, I will discuss a emerging topic which is Bionic Eye. Before coming to the topic, first see what we will discuss throughout the today's lecture. First of all, we learn how human eye works, then what is ASR or artificial silicon retina and working of this, then we will learn what is bionic eye, the main part of this topic, and what are the components used in bionic eye, advantages, disadvantages of bionic eye, and then some conclusions. Before we learn about ASR or artificial silicon retina, it is important to know how natural retina works. At first, the light sensitive cells get activated with incidence of light and generate electric signals. These electric signals are sent to the brain by optic nerves, and the brain interprets the electric signal in such a way that we can see an image. Now, what is ASR? It is an extremely teeny device to restore functional vision in those suffering from partial or total blindness. In 1983, João Lobo, a world-renowned Portuguese doctor, implanted a bionic eye in a person born blind. Later, the brothers Alan Chow and Vincent Chow have developed a microchip containing 3500 photodiodes which detects light and convert it into electrical impulses, which is called ASR. How ASR works? The ASR microchip is a 2 mm diameter silicon chip which contains 5000 microscopic solar cells called microphotodiodes. It detects light and converts it into electrical impulses which simulate healthy retinal ganglion cells, and these cells are sent to the brain by optic nerve. In the picture you can see where and how ASR is placed. In this slide, you can see that which types of images are seen to a blind person using this technology. Now, let's discuss about how Bionic Eye concept is came into the market. Dr. Mark Humayun and Dr. Eugene Dejuan, along with their scientist group, demonstrate that a visually impaired person could be made to see the world by stimulating the optic nerves behind the retina with electrical pulses. Based on these, scientists set out to create a device that could translate images to electrical pulses that could restore the vision. Now, what are the components required for the bionic eye? First one is digital camera, second video processing unit and radio transmitter, fourth one is the radio receiver, and the final one is the retinal implant. After assembling all those components, a bionic eye device can be manufactured. Now coming to the slide which is working of bionic eye. So the camera which is mounted on a pair of eyeglasses captures the scene in front of the wearer and sends to the VPC on the patient belt. Then processor translates the image into a series of signals that the brain can understand. Now the radio frequency transmitter sends the signal to the radio frequency receiver which is near the eye implant wirelessly. Receiver attains the transmitted signal and demodulated is done, which is sent to the microelectrode strip. These electrodes convert it into electrical pulses and provide it to the optic nerves. Now, what is the advantages and disadvantages of this device? Let's first discuss the advantages. First of all, it is clear that it identifies the location or movement of the objects and peoples, helps in the other activities of daily lives, working without any sort of support or helps, also upgradable to external hardware and software for benefit from future innovations. This device also have some drawbacks like repairing of this device is very difficult if it is damaged. Those who lost their visions due to other reasons could not use this device. Also, it may not work for people blinded as children or as infants. And most importantly, the cost of the device is too high as every common people can't afford. So, we can conclude that it is the first useful artificial eye which is helping blind men walk, read, and most importantly, live freely. Also, we can say that it is a revolutionary piece of technology, hoping that India will also acquire this technology very soon. So, can you think blind people can also see this world? Of course, the answer is yes. Thank you for watching and listening the video. Stay happy, be blessed.